What's up everyone, my name is Alex Costa. Welcome back to my channel. One of the most important parts of your style and your swag, all right, we'll use the word, is your hair, right? It's one of the first things that anyone sees when they look at you. When you have amazing hair, people are drawn to you and they give you the respect that you deserve. But as amazing as that sounds, it isn't always easy to keep your hair looking great. One of the biggest hair problems is dry hair, and it is the reason why most men can't get and maintain that A+ hair. Well, in this video, I'm gonna give you everything you need, all of the tips that will help you fix your dry hair and prevent it from coming back. By the way, if you're new here, hi, my name is Alex. This is my channel. Here we talk about men's fashion, grooming, of course, hair, fitness, dating advice, and so much more. Basically, it's my job to turn you into the ideal man and helping you live your best life. If that sounds good to you, and I think it does, then hit the subscribe button below and join the YouTube family. Here we have over 3 million subscribers. Let's start with one of the most common mistakes that guys make. Right? It's okay to shampoo your hair. You should be shampooing your hair. But our first tip for today is to reduce the frequency at which you shampoo your hair. You're doing way more harm than good if you're washing your hair with shampoo all the time. Your hair produces some natural oils, right? That's what it does. To protect your hair, to keep it soft and shiny. These oils also help your hair stay moisturized so it doesn't dry out too quickly, so your hair doesn't get dry. The job of the shampoo is to strip all of those protective oils as well as the bad oils, the dirt, the gunk, the hair products out of your hair. You don't want to be walking around with dry hair, so reducing the number of times that you wash your hair with shampoo is actually really good, because if your hair is really greasy, shampoo it, it's great. But if your hair is already not very oily, there's no need to overstrip it of those oils. Washing your hair with just water is enough to get rid of the dirt in your hair without stripping your hair of those natural oils. So what are you gonna do if you're not shampooing every day? Well, wash it with water, and then I recommend using a leave-in conditioner, or just leaving the conditioner, the normal conditioner, in your hair for a little bit longer while you shower. I always leave my conditioner in for at least 1 full minute in the shower while I'm showering, and then I wash it off. Conditioners are actually really important. It's an important part of your hair care, and it should never be skipped, unlike shampoos that strip the natural oils, right? So the conditioner actually does the opposite. It introduces more moisture, hydration, it makes it soft and well moisturized. And leave-in conditioners are also packed with nutrients that feed your hair, and it's gonna help your hair grow faster. Aside from that, leave-in conditioners also protect your hair from heat damage, which makes it perfect because, you know, heat is a major cause of dry hair. So start leaving this in the shower for about a minute at least, and then if you want, add some leave-in conditioner as well before you go outside. Now, choosing the right products for your hair can be very difficult because, I mean, there are tons of products out there in the market, and it's really hard to tell which one of those products are gonna be good or bad for your hair. But if you start using bad products, your hair is gonna break. You're actually gonna get breakouts, pimples and acne here because the products are too oily and your hair goes on your face, and all of a sudden you're getting acne from your hair product. So you have to really make sure that you are using high quality products with no bad ingredients that are gonna give you, breakouts, that's gonna cause breakage on your hair, and bad products are definitely gonna dry out your hair. And that's one of the biggest reasons why I created Forte series, right? This is my own hair product. It's something that I started a year and a half ago, and I'm so proud of this brand. We only use high quality products to help you guys out, to make sure that your hair is not dry, to make sure that your hair looks incredible and that your hairstyle is better than everyone else's around you. And it's kind of funny because we've created this community, and so many of you guys are part of this community that just know that their hair is better, right? Because they have the right products. This community understands that drugstore products are just not gonna do the trick. They're gonna actually make it worse, and these will make it so much better. Our products don't have the harmful effects that the toxic chemicals in most hair products have. We don't want any of that. These products, I made these products for you guys, and I would expect full criticism and feedback from you guys. And trust me, it's been so positive. So we are doing a good job, and I'm so proud of that. And guys, our newest launch has been received so well by our customers, by you guys, and I'm so happy. We got the sea salt spray right here. This baby will give you lots of volume, lots of texture. It's so easy to use, and it can give you that nice carefree beach texture that every guy wants, right? That surfer look. It's really an amazing product. This is the texture spray right here. I've been using this hair product every single day. It works so well with my hair, especially at this length. and then the freeze spray. This is the highest hold product that we offer, the highest hold spray that I've ever used on my hair. It is incredible, and it's so easy to use. They smell good. All you do is, what I do anyway, is hold it up, spray like this, and it adds some instant texture to my hair. It makes it feel really nice, and it's not crinkly. I hate those hair products that make your hair feel super crinkly and hard. This does not do that. It makes it feel nice and textured, and it gives it a little bit of hold. But if you want extra hold, then skip the texture spray and go with the ultimate hold, 24-hour hold with this freeze spray. It's gonna freeze your hair into place. And of course, when it comes to shampoo and conditioner, we have our own shampoo and conditioner. These do not have any of the harmful products, any of the harmful, chemicals that come in some of those other shampoos, like sulfates. We don't have any of that. I made sure of it. So you are getting high quality ingredients to make sure that your hair looks and feels amazing. Guys, I'm gonna leave the Forte Series website in the description below. It's forteseries.com. And just so you know, a little teaser here, we are launching 2 more products next month. I haven't talked about this yet. I'm so excited, man. We're launching a pomade, which is incredible, and we are launching the hair cream. And trust me, you guys are gonna love these products. They are so good. forteseries.com. It's listed in the description below. Upgrade your hairstyle right now. All right, so this next hair tip is probably my least favorite hair tip from today's video, just because I like to blow dry my hair. It just looks so much better. But the reality is, try to air dry as much as possible. And that's just the truth, guys. Blow drying after showers, it's gonna look amazing. My hair looks so much better when I blow dry, and that's just how it is. But that's not great for your hair, right? It exposes your hair to a lot of heat, which makes your hair dry out faster than normal. The heat doesn't only get rid of the moisture, it also damages your hair. It really does. It can make you lose the color. If you have color, it can cause split ends. So you don't want to be walking around with your hair all frizzy and damaged. So try to air dry as much as possible. Air drying your hair is a much better choice because it lets your hair dry out slowly, allows it to retain as much of that moisture as possible, and it also prevents breakage and split ends, and can make your hair a lot smoother and shinier. So yeah, I blow dry my hair probably 3 times a week now, and it just looks so much better. We know that. So if you're going to an event, if you're going to a birthday, a wedding, blow dry your hair, man. Just really, don't be shy. But if you're chilling at home, if you're putting a hat on later, if you're putting a beanie on, if you're not in need to look your absolute best, and sometimes we don't, air dry your hair. That's it. Just let it air dry, and it's going to feel so much better. It might not look as good, but it'll be healthier for your hair. This is something that I've been doing for a long time, and I feel like a lot of guys don't do this. They don't really understand the benefits, and I'm talking about hair masks. Hair masks is just one of the easiest ways to achieve and maintain healthy hair, no matter the length of your hair. You just have to know how to use them. Even with short hair, I used to do hair masks probably like once a week, even when I had 3 to 4 inches of hair. Alex, how does a hair mask work? Well, it works the same way as a face mask, right? They feed nutrients directly into your hair, into your scalp. They nourish it and hydrate it. And using a hair mask is the best way to turn your dry hair problems around, to get rid of frizz, because the way it acts, it's like a deep conditioning treatment. Not only does a hair mask provide your hair and scalp with the necessary nutrients, it also protects your hair against any further damage. So you don't even have to use it all the time. I don't use it every day. I use it maybe once a week or every other week. That is enough to work that magic, to get everything out of it. I put it on for like an hour. Sometimes I leave it on overnight. The best part about it is that you don't have to spend a lot of money. You can make your own hair masks from the comfort of your home. You can use coconut oil, you can use avocado oil, some people use canola oil. Doesn't really matter, whatever works for your hair. Forte, we're almost done developing our own masks. I've been trying it out. I've been testing things out. Let me show you guys this real quick. This is like impromptu, but look at all of these products that I'm testing right now, man. It's like, we're doing a lot. We're doing the most, all right? I'm trying to bring you guys the best products possible, and I'm just testing everything out, from products to different componentry. Look at this, like different types of packaging. I want to make sure that you guys get everything like A+, high quality stuff only. And the funny thing is, you guys are probably like, wow, there's a lot of products. That is literally one of like 10 of those boxes that I have of products. I have so many products that we're testing and developing right now. I'm so excited. Guys, another thing that you need is, if you have dry hair, you need your vitamins now more than ever, because without those vitamins, there's no chance of you getting healthy, well moisturized hair. Just like every other part of your body, your skin, right, your muscles, your hair is greatly affected by what you eat. Even with the use of the conditioners and the masks, and you can use the best Forte products that, you know, it doesn't matter. You need to eat as well, because if you're not healthy within, it's just not gonna work out. If you don't eat right, your hair is not gonna look right. So make sure that your meals are healthy, well balanced, to provide your hair with all the nutrients that it needs. Eat a lot of fruit and vegetables, stay hydrated. You can also add multivitamins, you know, little pills or gummies to just supplement your diet for better results. Biotin is an amazing vitamin that you definitely should start taking. Biotin if you want your hair to look shinier, to grow faster. Definitely take biotin. And what you should not be doing, all right, you should not be doing, not just for your hair, but for other reasons as well, is smoking. Smoking is actually really bad for your hair. Cigarette smoke contains some really toxic chemicals, in case you didn't know, that can cause your blood vessels to shrink, including the blood vessels to your scalp. That means that your hair will get, you know, thin. It's gonna get little to no nutrients from the body, and that is really tough on your hair. The lack of nutrients causes your hair to grow poorly, which is why it becomes dry and frizzy, and that is not good, right? It can actually lead to hair loss, which we do not want on this channel. None of you guys want hair loss. I definitely don't, and I wish you guys will never have to experience that. But living healthy is the key to looking good and to have really good hair for a long time. And I understand a lot of guys, most men actually, will start thinning out by the time they're 30, which is insane, right? And I'm actually planning a video to help you guys out with hair loss as well. If you guys want that, let me know in the comment section down below. Guys, I just want to say this for my OGs, for my hardcore fans, for my people that have been with me for a long time. Thank you. I'm at like almost 1 million on TikTok now, and that's really cool to see that, you know, everything carries over from YouTube and Instagram, and I really appreciate that. If you guys want to help me get to 1 million, then it's at Alex Costa on TikTok. I post there every single day. I just posted a new TikTok today about 5 things that are draining your energy, like negative people, for example. So that's the kind of content that I am posting on TikTok. Would love to see you guys there. I'm gonna leave everything listed in the description below, including the Forte series products, which I would love for you guys to try out. And let me know what you think, man. Let me know what you think. I'm here. I read the comments. I want to make sure that I'm delivering, right? I want to make sure that I'm giving you the best of the best. So let me know so that I can always improve. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Peace.